Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share recruitment information from 6 different companies for more than 10 different roles. Now, some of the information here are new. Some of them I had earlier posted in my earlier videos, but now the dates have been extended, right? I hope this video is useful to you. Now, first to start with TCS. Now, as of now, the only massive off-campus hiring from TCS, pan-India hiring from TCS is the TCS BPS hiring. Now, this is for the 2021 and 2022 Arts, Science and Commerce graduates. Now, coming to the eligibility criteria, full-time arts, commerce and science graduates from BCom, BA, BAF, BBI, BBA, BBM, BMS, BSc, ITCS General, BCA, BCS, B.Pharm, M.Pharm from 2021 and 2022 can apply for this. So only like full-time courses, except for the NAOS who have completed 12th in NAOS. Otherwise, like only full-time courses are encouraged to attend. Encouraged to apply for this, and a maximum of 2 years gap is allowed, and there should not be any active backlogs when you appear for the test. Okay, so now, and as far as the test pattern is concerned, now we have videos related to numerical ability and reasoning ability, and for verbal ability we have a test practice platform where you can practice the actual latest tests, right? And so totally you have like 26 numerical ability questions, 24 verbal ability and 30 reasoning ability, and total duration is like 65 minutes. And the link to apply I have provided in the description below. Now this is through the TCS NextStep portal. Now if you already have you have to create a profile in the BPS part. Okay, in the BPS section you have to create a profile. If you already have a profile, you just need to apply for this particular hiring, right? And finally, after you complete everything, the application status should be application received. Okay, so that you get the communication. Right now this is TCS BPS hiring. Now the salary and other details are not mentioned. Okay, the last date is not mentioned. It has been open for quite some time. If you apply for this, probably in a week's time or maximum within 2 weeks, if you are eligible, you will get the assessment link, and then in another 2 weeks you will get the, if you qualify the assessment, in another 2 weeks you will get the interview schedule, right? Now this is about TCS BPS. Now the next one, Wipro WILP. Okay, the date now is extended up to 15th of November 2022. Now this is for BSc and BCA graduates. Okay, now so as I said, the last date is 15th of November, and this you have to apply through the Superset platform. Now if you don't have a Superset profile, it's very easy to create one. I have videos related to creating profiles in Superset. You can go through that. So for this, this WILP is a work and learn program. Okay, so you get to work for Wipro at the same time, during the free hours and during the weekends. Okay, you get to attend classes, mostly online classes. You pursue an MTech in software engineering from institutes like Pitts Pilani. Okay, so that with whom they usually tie up. Okay, now during the first year, okay, now per month stipend will be like 15,488. Second year 17,500. In the third year 19,600, and in the fourth year per month stipend is 23,000, and also there is a joining bonus of 75,000. Okay, and as far as the eligibility criteria is concerned, 10th and 12th mere pass is enough. In graduation, 60% or 6 CGPA is required in graduation, and 2022 and 2023 batches are eligible for this. And so who can apply for this? BCA graduates can apply, and in BSc computer science, IT, mathematics, statistics, electronics and physics, these branches can apply. Very importantly, you need to have core mathematics as one of the subjects in graduation. Business mathematics and applied mathematics will not be considered as core mathematics. Okay, so you need to have studied core mathematics. That's mandatory, right? And coming to the selection process totally as far as the written test is concerned, it's an 80 minutes test. Okay, written communication 20 minutes, quantitative 20 minutes, analytical 20 minutes, and verbal 20 minutes. And in our channel Learning About, we have videos related to the preparation for this. And if you qualify in the first round online assessment, then you'll be called for the business discussion round, which is nothing but the interview round. And very importantly, there is a bond for you to sign. Okay, and the bond duration is like 5 years. There is a 4 years of studying MTech, and post MTech it's like 1 year of work, minimum work you have to do. Okay, post MTech, the role will be like, like the position will be like the senior project engineer. Okay, so somewhere like minimum of 6 lakhs per annum will be the salary at that point of time. Okay, that is post completion of MTech. Now this is Wipro WILP, and this is a pan India hiring. Okay, and another pan India hiring from Wipro. Now this is for the diploma graduates, diploma holders. Now this is called a School of IT Infrastructure Management. Now here the stipend is during the first year per month stipend is 12,400. In the second year per month stipend is 15,400. In the third year it is 17,500 per month. In the fourth year it is 19,600 per month. Okay, so here diploma holders are eligible to apply for this. And in 10th and 12th, like mere pass 50% is enough. In diploma 60% is expected. Year of passing out 2021 and 2022 2023 3 batches can apply for this. Diploma in computer science, IT, electronics, telecommunication engineering, computer engineering, electronics and communication, computer technology, computer science and technology, electronics and electrical and electronics engineering. These diploma holders are eligible to apply for this. Okay, now this is also like the Wipro WILP. Okay, wherein you get to work for Wipro at the same time. You will be able to pursue BTech in top institutes. Okay, so BTech in top institutes you will be able to pursue, right? So the other conditions you can just go through. Here also you have to sign like a bond. Okay, so just like the other WILP program, here also you have to sign a bond. Now other details you can just go through. The selection process is also similar to Wipro WILP. Okay, again the preparatory materials are available in our channel. Like you can just look at the description. I have provided the links, right? So this is Wipro SIM hiring. Now next one, so the role is processor. They have mentioned as multiple locations. Okay, so Wipro again, the last day to apply is 1st of December. They have mentioned like any graduate can apply for this. So fresher from BCom, BA, BBA, BHM. Okay, so I'm sorry, not any graduate. Graduates like who have completed BCom, BA, BBA, BHM, okay, can apply for this, right? So what is required here is consulting skills, client knowledge and client service, good computer operating skills required like MS Office applications, and with a minimum typing speed of 25 words per minute, right? And should demonstrate good written and verbal communication skill. This is what it's mentioned. Okay, so multi-location hiring. 1st December last day to apply, right? So BCom, BA, BBA, BHM graduates can apply for this. The role is processor. Now another hiring from Wipro. Now this is order management associate. The location is Chennai. The last day to apply is 22nd of November. Except BE, BTech, MBA and MCA, other graduates can apply. Okay, so except for BE, BTech, MBA and MCA, other graduates can apply for this. Okay, so good PC and database knowledge and project process management skills. Graduate in any discipline can apply except the above mentioned ones. Okay, and initiative and independence should be customer focused, flexible and adaptable to business requirements is what they have mentioned. So this is another hiring from Wipro for Chennai location. Now next, Capgemini hiring. Now this hiring has been happening for quite some time. The dates now extended, right? Now the location is Gurgaon. The CTC is actually 4 lakhs, now 3 lakhs during the probation period. Okay, post the probation it is like 4 lakhs per annum for this. Location is Gurgaon. The role is a kind of a network engineer role. Okay, so B Tech and MCA from 2020, 2021 and 2022. These 3 batches can apply for this. If you have CCNA certification, that is preferred, but certification is actually not mandatory, right? If you are interested, you can go for this. So basically in interview and all, what is expected is knowledge on networking technologies, routing and switching, collaboration, data center, wireless security, cloud based support. Okay, now and also actively require more complex skills, techniques, operating practices, knowledge of abstract concepts to progress towards full proficiency networking technologies is what mentioned. Now as far as BE Tech MCA is concerned, you can apply through the Superset portal, and the last date to apply is 30th of November, and the salary is like 4 lakhs per annum. And as far as the BSc or BCA graduates is concerned, now this is a little like old one, but the link is active. Now this is through First Now Cree platform. Now here this again same location Gurgaon. The salary is 2.75 lakhs per annum. Number of openings they had mentioned as 100. So if you are from BSc BCA, you can just check this link for network engineer. And for the network engineer, if you see the process, first you have English MCQ assessment. Okay, the link to MCQ assessment, English MCQ assessment is given in the description below. You can make use of it, and then if you clear that, okay, you go for the spoken English assessment. Okay, and then subsequently, like if you clear the first 2 rounds, you will be called for the interview, wherein the questions will be mostly based on the basics of networking, etc., basics of computers and all that. Okay, right? Though here the date mentioned is 31st of October, it is now extended, as you can see in the Superset. Okay, it is November 30. Okay, this is Capgemini hiring. So Capgemini, now this information also I recently posted. Now Capgemini is hiring like the 3-year graduates, any 3-year graduates for the location Kolkata, Bangalore and Pune. The salary is like 2.75 lakhs. Okay, now this is mostly like a technical support role. If you have completed any 3-year graduation from 2021 and 2022, these 2 batches can apply for this. So this is kind of a technical support role. Okay, so ticket management, customer management, like etc. You can just go through the description. So 14th of November is the last date now. Now next, Cognizant, like they're hiring programmer analyst trainee. Now this is through the Unstop portal. Okay, now the location is mentioned as online, so probably it's like work from home kind of a role. The end date is 24th of November. The specifics of the academic requirements is not mentioned. What is mentioned is understanding the details of quality process and practices followed in the project from different sources, going through project specification documents and boot camps to learn about client application suites, technology stacks used in the client environment and client specific process and tools, and attend any knowledge transition sessions, etc. So most like job description is what they have mentioned. Okay, and in the eligibility they have just mentioned graduate and engineering graduate. So you can just go through this. If you find it suitable, you can apply. This is a programmer analyst trainee from Cognizant. Okay, location as just mentioned, online, salary and other details not given. Last date to apply is 24th of November. Another one from Cognizant. Okay, so DevOps engineer, the location is like Hyderabad, but here you need some technical skills. Okay, so good to have knowledge with Java, AWS Cloud, React.js, OpenShift, Spring Boot, AWS, JavaScript, Oracle. If you have any one of these, if you have expertise in any one of these, like knowledge, that is a basic knowledge. Okay, not work experience, but if you have any basic knowledge in any one of this, you can go ahead and apply for this. The last date is 22nd of November. Okay, so DevOps engineer, the location is Hyderabad. Cognizant hiring. Okay, now next one, Siemens hiring software developer, the location is Noida. last date to apply is 20th of November. If you are from BTech or MTech in EE, ECE and CSE from reputed college, you can apply. Programming knowledge in C, C++ for HLS is required. Okay, System C is a plus. Proficiency in C++ is mandatory, is what they have mentioned here. Okay, so if you have proficiency in C++, right, then you can go for this software developer hiring. Okay, from Siemens, location is Noida. The last date to apply is 20th of November. Another hiring from Honeywell. Now this is for their Pune location. Systems engineer is the role. The last date to apply is 29th of November. It's mentioned as eligibility is mentioned as engineering graduates. So bachelor's degree in engineering, knowledge of systems development life cycle, right, and so familiarity with systems and understanding of data structures to provide analytical problem solving. Individual that quickly analyzes, incorporates and applies new information and concepts. Diverse and global teaming and collaboration is what they have mentioned. So engineering graduates can, with the systems knowledge, can go for the systems engineer hiring. Now this is also through the NextStep portal. Another one, data scientist hiring for the Bangalore location from Cisco. The last date to apply is 22nd of November. Okay, now if you are a recent graduate or if you are in the final year studying MS or MBA or equivalent in computer science, mathematics, economics, information management, statistics or related field, you can go for this. Working knowledge from beginning to end with data science tools and techniques including data manipulation, SQL, Hadoop and programming, or Python, XML, JavaScript, ETL frameworks. Okay, you can go ahead and apply. Technical knowledge regarding data models, database design, development, data mining and segmentation techniques. Okay, so if you are basically already having some data related knowledge, okay, hands-on experience, then you can try this, right. So 22nd of November is the last date to apply for this data scientist. So if you are from the final year or passed out batch with expertise in SQL, Hadoop, basically like big data and programming related to big data, etc. You can try, okay, and provided if you are from this specific academic background that is mentioned. The other information is further information like salary and other things are not shared here. So if you are interested, you can go for this. Now with this I come to the end of this video. I hope the information that I have provided here was useful to you. If you found it useful, please click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it, and if you are not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.